Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ktechgai. It works every time. So if you are new on this channel, I highly recommend that you stay to the end of the video and consider subscribing to it. So today I'm going to show you how you can convert any video file into an audio file. See, I've been there before. Have you fallen in love with a song recently and all you have is a video file and you want an audio version of it, so that one, you can set it as your ringtone or even play it over and over again with your audio player? That would mean that you have to look it up online and download the audio version, which will cost you more money and require more data. What if I told you you can do exactly that offline without needing the internet, without needing more data, without needing more money? Yeah, right. So in a snap, I'm going to show you how you can do that directly on your device. So and the program is called YT application. So I will leave a link in the description below, and also my Telegram channel, so that you can get the file right there, and you have to successfully install, and you can follow along with the video. Okay, so let's go through the steps now. So first, launch the program like this. So let's snap it. The program to the left like this, and the next step is look for your file. Look for the file on your computer. So in my case, it's here on my desktop. Let's snap that to the right too. Okay. So now you have the program and your file explorer. Where the video is side by side. Okay, so the next step is that just drag the video file over to the program, and it gives you a dialog box like this. So the first item you see here is telling us the source of the video. Okay, where our video is. Of course, it's on the desktop. So PC desktop, and it shows here user blah 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 and desktop. Okay, the next thing is that we are converting this MP4 to an audio. Okay, by default it shows MP4. That's not what we want, so click the down arrow here and choose MP3. Right, so now it simply means that this video MP4.mp4 is going to be converted to .mp3. Alright, so by default the program checks this for you, which means that once the conversion is done, you are going to have the mp3, the audio file, and the video file in the same location right here. Okay, and if for some reason you don't want that, you have to uncheck that and click here and navigate your device and give it a different location. Okay, so in our case we want the same as the input folder. So once that is okay for you, just go ahead and click convert now. Okay, so this is converting already. Bam, we are done here. This check mark, this correct mark, green mark, tells us that it is done successfully, and also we see completed here. It didn't take so much because the file is not exactly a large file, so it would take much more time if your file is that large. Okay, and sometimes it can fail, and if it fails, all you have to do is right click and go to restart. It will start again, or you can drop as many files as you want, maybe 10 maximum. You can drop 10 files at the same time and they will all be converted at the same time, but some will complete before others, and depending on their length. Okay, so this is basically how you can convert any video file into an audio file. So at a glance we can see that this video file originally now has an audio version. Okay, so let's attempt to play that and see. Right.
I'm Gazelle. Welcome to Zootopia.
That's Shakira Try Everything. So at the end of the day, you have two files: the original video and then the conversion we just did, the audio file. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment in the section below. Let me know if this works for you, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel and share the video too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.